The world loves chickens. The not so real and the real.
Rhode Island Red, a little bantam. We love chickens in the pen and not the pan. Chickens in the yard, chickens in the pen. Every single morning there's eggs again. Every single morning there's eggs again. Big white Leghorn, old Plymouth Rock. Listen to the chickens go rock, rock, rock. Chickens in the yard, chickens in the pen. Every single morning there's eggs again. Every single morning there's eggs again. Scratching in the dirt, so happy and free. They'll become your friends and not just poultry. Chickens in the yard, chickens in the pen. Every single morning there's eggs again.
This is one of my most recent scratchboard drawings. And this one is an earlier artwork. You can really see the difference in how I've evolved artistically. Now, I love drawing chickens. Over the past 12 years, I've probably drawn just about a gajillion of them in my folk art style.
Shaking his tail feathers round his flock. Happy little hens going cluck, cluck, cluck. Chickens in the yard, chickens in the pen.
This little guy I refer to as Chicken Man. I've done so many versions of him I've lost count. And I know, he's really a rooster, but somehow I like the term Chicken Man better.
With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there,